Clouds, can I have it?
Yeah. Wait, oh, I'm Luigi?
Yeah, you're Luigi. Oh my god, clouds.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Yoshis are in this game.
I know.
In this level. I love Yoshi. Come on.
Oh, I thought you could jump on them. To get Yoshis. Wait a minute. How do you get Yoshis?
There's a Yoshi right here waiting for you.
There is?
Yeah. That yellow one.
First you gotta pop me.
Hold on. Can I eat you?
Nope.
Over here. Here, I got enough. Here, I'll give you. I was gonna get you on that thing.
No, I'm waiting.
Oh.
Come on.
Yoshi!
Come
Give me back my Yoshi! Come back, come back! No, come back! My Yoshi's back there!
Ah. That sucks.
All I'm trying to do is help you. Go away. What the?
Oh, my Yoshi! Yoshi, no! My Yoshi! Come back, baby! My Yoshi! There he is! That's mine!
Oh my
There's
god!
my Yoshi!
Yeah, I know where you.
Come on, buddy! Yeah! Oh! I want my Yoshi! If you take my Yoshi! Yoshi! My Yoshi!
No!
I'm so dead. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Oh!
Yeah!
How do you do that?
I don't know.
Oh, I want to go.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah! Oh. Yeah.
Yo, there's power.
Dog. Dog.
Ah! Come back! I got it.
He's my Yoshi. Give me that.
Away.